Hi everyone, welcome to this video on artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this video, we're going to explore what these terms mean, how they're related, and why they're important. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is a broad field of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks can range from recognizing images and speech to playing games and driving cars. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of AI that focuses on creating algorithms and models that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that data. Essentially, it's a way to teach computers how to learn and improve over time, without being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario. Types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm learns from labeled examples, where the correct outputs are already known. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm tries to find patterns or structures in unlabeled data, without any specific guidance. In reinforcement learning, the algorithm learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or punishments based on its actions. Applications of AI and machine learning. AI and machine learning have many practical applications in a wide variety of fields, such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. For example, in healthcare, AI can help diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI can help detect fraud and make investment decisions. In transportation, AI can help improve traffic flow and prevent accidents. And in entertainment, AI can help create more realistic video games and movies. Challenges and ethical considerations. 1. While AI and machine learning have many potential benefits, there are also significant challenges and ethical considerations to consider. 2. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring that the algorithms are fair and unbiased, and don't perpetuate existing inequalities or discrimination. 3. Another challenge is ensuring that the algorithms are secure and reliable, and don't have unintended consequences or vulnerabilities that could be exploited by bad actors. Conclusion. 1. In conclusion, artificial intelligence and machine learning are exciting and rapidly evolving fields that have the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with technology. 1. By understanding the basics of these concepts and the ethical considerations involved, we can all be more informed and responsible users and creators of AI and machine learning. 1. Thank you for watching.